My name's Chris Chase. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Certified Collision Group. We provide business services to the collision repair industry. Our company is comprised of currently 25 employees. We provide procurement services and insurance relationship management for our business partners and customers. The reason we chose the NetSuite platform is Certified Collision Group had reached a stage where our existing systems simply couldn't keep up. Additionally, our ownership was looking for a platform that they could position and prepare our financial records in a way that would attract external investment. One of the business partners that we've really enjoyed working with has been Solution 7. One of the limitations that we were running into with the packages we had was working with our financial reporting in a way that we could communicate it out to people without NetSuite direct access. The Solution 7 product is fantastic because it allows a lot of flexibility in bringing the financial reporting and budgeting information into Excel, allows us to manipulate that and communicate it back into NetSuite for my technical leaders in finance, but then I can also take that same Excel spreadsheet, create graphics and dashboards that I can then communicate to my board and to other key stakeholders in my business. What was taking us 10 or 15 hours a month in report manipulation to build my board presentation decks and facilitate my monthly lender reporting now is just, with the help of the team at Solution 7, is just really a click of a refresh button out. So it's been incredibly impactful and time saving, allowing me now to spend more time driving the operations of my business and less time worrying about completing reports. One of my favorite features from the Solution 7 offering is the flexibility I have in consolidating GL accounts. And then I can bring it in at an individual GL account level, or I can bring it in through a range or even through a named array, which allows me to bring in all of the different parts and slice my business the way I need to fulfill whatever my reporting requirements are at the time. I would highly recommend Solution 7 to any NetSuite user that needs to do any financial reporting. It provides just an incredible amount of flexibility and saves a tremendous amount of time in communicating reporting out to any external partner. The Solution 7 team has been incredibly supportive. Implementation was very quick and painless. They were always right there on the spot, walked me through the initial setups, provided great one-on-one training, and we have run into no issues with the product at all, and it's just worked fabulously.
Yeah. We
couldn't
take,
have written it better for you, Chris.
Okay.
To be honest.
Okay, good.
For what we were looking for you to say about it, you couldn't.
Oh no, it's been Solution 7's been great. We really enjoyed it. Actually, the great thing, one of the great things about the Solution 7 product is that I made the purchase, I went through the implementation quickly, and it has so seamlessly worked into my everyday. I don't even actually have to think about it. So it just saves us time and makes everything so easy. So I couldn't hope for a better solution. It's oftentimes you have to buy a solution and you have to spend a lot of time worrying about it and caring for it and maintaining it. And Solution 7 is just a solution that just blends right into my everyday.